In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use comments in Google Docs, from inserting and replying to resolving and deleting them. Comments are an amazing way to collaborate and offer feedback, and I'll walk you through each step to make it simple and effective for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com. Here, you'll want to sign in with your Google account. Enter your email address and password when prompted, and click Next each time to proceed. Once you're signed in, look towards the upper right-hand corner where you'll notice a small grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps grid. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Google Docs. Once you have Google Docs open, find the document you need or create a new one. Now, we're ready to dive into using the comments feature. To start, highlight the text or simply place your cursor at the spot in your document where you want to insert a comment. Look at the top of your screen for the insert menu and click on it. From the drop-down options, select comment. This opens a comment box where you can type your message or feedback. When you're done, click on the comment button to post it. Now, what if you want to reply to an existing comment? It's just as easy. Click on the highlighted text or the comment bubble that appears in the margin to open the comment thread. You'll see a space beneath the existing comment to type your reply. Once you've entered your response, simply click on the reply button to post it. Next, if a comment discussion is no longer needed or if an issue has been addressed, you can resolve the comment. To do this, click on the comment you want to mark as resolved, and then click the check sign that appears. This will archive the comment thread but not delete it, a useful feature if you might need to revisit the discussion later. Finally, let's talk about deleting comments. Note that you can only delete comments that you've authored. Start by clicking on the comment you want to delete. Now, look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the comment box indicating more options. Click on these dots and a small menu will appear. Select delete from this menu, and just like that, your comment will be removed. And there you have it. A simple guide to inserting, replying, resolving, and deleting comments on Google Docs. With these tools at your fingertips, collaborating on documents becomes seamless and efficient. I hope this video helps enhance your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.